Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It is Thursday, September 7th. We got some relief from our jobless claim numbers this morning. If we look over on the economic calendar for today, we saw a pretty decent drop in unemployment numbers with the initial jobless claims, or the people that are filing for unemployment this week, dropping to 216 from 229 last week and down from the estimate of 234. And then the total jobless claims, also known as the continuing, came in at 1679 versus 1715 expected, and down from 1719 last week. So we are seeing a little bit of relief in the bond market. If you're looking at the 10-year, finally pulling back. This gave it a reason to finally pull back from a top at 4.3 in the right before the report to now 4.278. So this could be a topping formation for the 10-year and maybe for the dollar, since they have been overextended for quite a bit. Dollar is actually still seemingly headed higher. Let's see. It's down from the report. The initial reaction was up. But my guess, the slowdown could actually help out. But got 3 options on the watch list today: watching Tesla, watching Netflix, and watching Google. Markets are down, so yeah, puts do make sense. Right now, looks like currently NASDAQ's down 1.3, so the trend is definitely down this morning, even with the drop in the 10-year and the yield, or the 10-year and the dollar. But let's see. I've got Google to the downside, Netflix to the downside, and Tesla to the upside. I think that probably the biggest opportunity is going to be Netflix. I think the biggest opportunity is going to be Netflix, just because of how high it's been trading. I've already got my stops set up. So market's about to open, 45 seconds. And let me get my... And Tesla is less certain on direction as of right now. In terms of looking at the hourly chart, I'm watching the pre-market low at 243.50 as my stop right now, and might try to re-enter if it goes south on me. Below 243.50, and then setting the new stop at 242.75. All right, market is open. Tesla's pulling back right on the jump. These options are going for 210. My stop's at 190. Make sure to set up my stop. All right, got in on that at 200. Get in on the Netflix trade. I think, again, that's the biggest opportunity we got. 157 right now. Looks like I just got stopped out. $185. And jumping right back off that pre-market low. Let's check out this one. Netflix. Again, I think this one could be a big opportunity to the downside. They're trading at 200 right now. The stop would be at 160, 155. I got those at 193. Again, my stop's going to be at 157. I'll set it to 155 to be safe. Looks like Apple is slipping below 174 right now. So if that triggers the market down, could be a pretty red day. Looking back at the 247 calls on Tesla, they're trading at under 200. Tesla's right at 243, 244 with our stop at 242.75. It's about $1 worth of delta here. We could go with this one, the 245 instead. Add to the options watch list here. The 245 strike. Trading for 300 now. What was our delta for that again? 40 cents of delta. Trading at 270. We missed that one. Just barely. Looks like the Netflix are gaining though. Shooting up. I want to see it down to 437.25 before we take profit, and it's almost there. Just about 25 cents off. The bid is there. They're going at 270 a piece. All right, we're breaking through. Damn. Bounced right there at the mark. So close, but so far off. The bid's about 75 cents. Okay. Well, we can always move our stop. I'll move it to close to break even. Oh crap. Set it at 190. Ooh, that's very close though. Should have just sold it as soon as we saw that 437.5 mark. That was my target at least. Let's check on Tesla in the meantime. Right under the 243.50 level. So looking at the 235 call. It's about $1 of delta, which was 40. So we can buy these at 280, sell them at 240 for the stop. Looks like we just got stopped out of the Netflix. $185. Okay. And they're back up now. Of course. As soon as I get stopped out. I'm gonna try to re-enter. Yeah. 235. With $1 stop. those were puts, not calls. No, we actually got those at 228. So pretty decent entry. Just gonna wait on that 437.50 level. Hopefully we can break through it this time, but it's just kind of hesitating right there. Let's see, Apple's actually recovering a bit, up at 176 now. Netflix currently the third worst performer, down 1.5%, getting replaced by Tesla down to 247.50. Oh, don't think I meant to do that. I don't have any open position. What was that? 358, 247.5. That was weird. That was strange. Alright, come on, Netflix. Just a little lower for me. Oh. I think we're going back to break even for these. Yeah, a little bit under break even. I'll get 5 more and set the stop at like 180. $193. Yeah, looks like we're reversing off that low. Still kind of caught up at 450.5 right now, though. All right, we got 5 more at 186. So that should bring our average cost down. Currently 202 on 15 contracts. And there's about $2 worth of upside. Let's see where Netflix, and this put is 435, 20 delta, so about 60 lower. The hope is to sell these for that 437.5 mark, which would put them at about 280 a piece, with our cost at 202. Let's check out Tesla. Definitely rocketing up there. Looks like the whole market's kind of rebounding on the pre-market lows. Could set up maybe a Amazon call here. I think Amazon was beaten down pretty bad yesterday, and it's down 0.75 this morning, with a stop about 75 cents lower. So we'll go with this one. Actually, I might go with a higher delta. 60 delta instead. $60 and $45. Alright, so our stop loss would be about 45 cents lower. We'll get 20 of these. They're going for 135 now, so already up a ton. But entering this support zone now, we could even adjust our stop to 134 instead of 133.75. Got those at 128. We'll set our stop to 110, actually lower. $128 entry. Alright, looks like those Netflix puts gaining some. Netflix, check out the chart. Just kind of chopping around in this range. Oh crap, that's not what I meant to do. Okay. I'm profitable. No worry about that. I made 400 yesterday and 500 the day before. I'm getting lower on the Amazon calls. Netflix puts are going up though. I wish I had this set up to where it would pull up the underlying whenever I go to the option. That would be a nice feature. Alright, so we'll get rid of... Actually... Yeah, Tesla we don't want anymore. So we'll take those off the watch list. Still have a Google put that I was looking at. Let's see how that's... Okay. It's not a bad opportunity. Stop loss at 88, currently trading at 100. Going for 98 now. 96. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. 97 entry. I'll probably want to see this one out of the pre-market low, 134.15, before I take profit there. Looks like the Netflix are going up. 134.15 or below, please. Netflix put's going up now. Netflix almost down to that 437.5 mark again, but not quite there. Yeah, you can detach it in a separate window. I think I'm getting stopped out for Google. Yeah, 83. Yeah, just broke above that 135 mark. And pulled back from it. Let's check where we want Amazon to go. It'd be nice to see this $1 higher at 135.75, but I feel like that could be a bit of a stretch. 135.75 or above. Just to monitor the options chain. Yeah, that's smart. My setup is on the YouTube channel, Discord, and then on a widescreen. And then my laptop to monitor the charts. All right, those Amazons are going for 160 a pop now. Just pull back. Where did it pull back off? 135 was the rejection level. Let's see if it keeps on pushing that mark. You want to see the bid go over 135 and then it should start rolling up, but I'm going to adjust my stop up to profits. Hopefully it doesn't drop in the meantime. All right. Netflix finally breaking down right at that 437.50 mark. All right, they're going for 290. Okay. Oh, I gotta cancel my stupid stops. I hate that so much. All right, so does it 290. All right, so now last battle is with Amazon. Got these at 128, currently at 135. And stopped out at 128 for break even. It's right at that 134.50 level, which could act as a support. Let's see. Contracts are trading at 130 apiece. Okay. Acting as a support now. That's weird. These ended up bottoming. Oh, I guess they were 128 at their low. Yeah, that's definitely a support now. Missed that limit order by a second. Alright. I'll try to re-enter 15 and set the stop at 130. Or 128 was the lowest that they went. $146 entry. Yeah, I know you can adjust it here. Made 985 on those Netflix puts. That was a good trade. Just waiting on the 135 level first. Again, you want to see the bid getting over that. And then you should start seeing my take profit, which is up at 135.75. Yeah. I mean, I'm like a newbie when it comes to Thinkorswim, honestly. Like, I've been using it for 6 years, but I haven't actually traded with it. I just use it for charting. So any help is good. All right, I'm going to move my stop back to break even. Currently going for 167. And I'm aiming for that 135.75 mark. Right now it's at 135.25, so about 50 cents away. Any bad news for the sell-off? The thing that I would say was bad news was the unemployment report, but it was good news in the sense that less people are unemployed. But that meant that interest rates are still kind of elevated. The dollar is still elevated, which weighs negatively on stocks. All right, 134.50. This will probably be a resistance just because it's a half number. Yeah. Contracts are going at 190. 180. Go to the gear icon and get rid of flatten. Let's see. And then there's a cancel all. That's a good tip. Thank you for that. Well, where did it go? Oh, it's on the second line. Probably should rearrange that, but that's okay. All right, getting close to that 135.50 mark, but still kind of running into it. We can adjust our stop up to say 180. Right now they're at 186. Just in case it gets rejected at that 135.50. Yep, sold those at 176. Alright. Well, that's probably all the trades I'll make today. Ran through the opportunities that I saw. Meta's going up a ton. 0.5% green for the day. Oh, Netflix finally broke under that level I was watching for. The puts are going for 320. What did we sell them for? 290. Yeah, that kind of blows, but still made 900 profit for the trade, so can't complain by much. But yeah, that's all the trading from me. Let's look through how much we made. Monitor. So we traded Amazon, traded Tesla, traded Google, and Netflix. So 450 from Amazon, those calls that we just sold out. Google, we lost 280. Ended up getting stopped. Netflix, we ended up making 985 even after getting stopped once. Kind of wish that I had taken profit the first time. Would have been a better day, but... And then we made $23 from some Tesla calls. What's the total today? 450 minus, 450 minus 280, 985, and $23 from Tesla. 1178 today. That doesn't match up. Doesn't match up with my... But yeah. That's it for me, and I will catch y'all tomorrow, Friday at 9:30. See everybody. Have a good day.